Hello everyone, welcome to Indian School of Physics. Guys, this is Nitin here, and today there is information about INSP Champs course. It is a crash course for JEE Mains and Advanced 2026. And today information about physics crash course I'm going to give. About the chemistry, I'll make a separate video. So these are the result of JEE Mains 2024 from INSP, where some of the students did extremely well, and we had around 10 students with 100 by 100 score, and Abhinav Chabra was AR 85, and many of you will know these students. They are your seniors, and in JEE Mains 2025, even better result was there. There was one student with overall 100 percentile, and yeah, we had 21 student with the 99.9 plus percentile, and 99.5 plus percentile. There were 73 students, and 99 plus percentile. We had 161 students. So I expect that this year students are even better, and they will do extremely well in the JEE Mains and Advanced, both the exams. So these were the students in 2025 with the perfect 100 by 100 score in physics. You know, Saurav, Ujjwal, Yash, Rudraksh, Anupam, Yashvardhan, Sahil, Harshita, Arnav, Pratik, Afan, Lakshit, and Shabir. So they got 100 by 100 in JEE Mains. So I'll just brief you about the course. So it is going to start from November 5th, 2025, and yeah, it will have access of regular 11th and 12th class batches, detailed theory courses, which are INSP courses, not my Apni Kaksha or Unacademy courses. And previous champs batch access also will be given along with that, and you will have access of entire platform of INSP till your advanced 2026. Below the lectures, you can find subtopic wise assignments with the solutions. If any part, if anywhere any solution is missing, you can let me know, and we'll try to provide them. And access of INSP COP books, these are my books. Still, two more topics are pending. Currently, we are working on fluids and waves. These two topics are yet to be completed in theory books. Other than that, for the entire 11th and class 12 syllabus, you will have all the books divided in small topics, and probably you'll find the best set of books for your JEE advanced preparation. At least as of now, I don't think any other book or problem collection comes near this. And along with that, you will have exam portal access, where 20,000 plus JEE advanced and mains specific problems are present, and you can create your own set of tests where you can set the timings, difficulty level, and various parameters will be there. I'll make a separate video on how to use this entire platform and what all resources are present. So you'll be able to write 100 plus self-created advanced and mains test. Wherever you are weak, you can write more tests on those topics, so it will improve your timings, exam management, and the quick reaction which you'll need in actual exam. And yeah, if you are able to write 100 self created test, and you want to write more, you can let me know. I will increase that number for you. It is not capped at 100. If you can write 200 also, I'll be more than happy, and yeah, we will increase that limit for you. So topic wise revision of means, I mean, from here November and December, we will be doing topic wise revision for 11th and class 12th both, and these classes will be live, and you will have recorded classes after once the live class happens. So you can choose as per your comfort. If you want to use recorded, you can use recorded. If you can attend live classes, you can come for live classes. sorry, INSP grant test. So these are like advanced test, and they will be present in all three subjects. However, mains test as of now will be in physics. I'll try if I can arrange all three subjects PCM test for mains as well. As of now, it is for advanced. 10 tests will be there. So those tests you can access from the day one itself. So today it's registration will be opening on INSP website, www.inspdu.in. You can create your account, and after that you can see in the premium section for the champs batch, and the registration will close by November 30th. Anyone for advanced 2026 or beyond can attend the course. Earlier I restricted this course for only for 2026 aspirants, but many students requested, those who were in 11th 10th, they wanted to take this course. So yeah, we will extend this for everyone. Anyone who is trying to explore these resources can go ahead with this. But once you are filling those your details in the portal before to attend or to access video portal, just make sure it's correct, so that we'll know whether you are 2027 or 2028 aspirant. And guys, trust me, physics will never be the same again. These are like very organized, well built platform, completely dedicated for physics. So yes, all you need is you have to grind hard. So if you are someone who doesn't do work, then I think you may not find this platform interesting. But if you are someone who is into studies and and if you are very serious about your preparation, then I think you'll find the best of the best resources here. All right, so Champs early bird offer, it is 5,999, and it includes GST, and you can use the code FLAT10. It will reduce the fees by 10%, or you can use the student code also. If your friends are there, you can it will make the fees as, I think, 5,399. So you can go ahead with this. But yes, it is a limited time offer, and post November 15th the fee is 9999 INR. This was the last year's fees actually. And for existing students of video courses, INSP students, they don't need to make this purchase. They will have the access of Champs by default. It is already included in your courses. And yes, if some of you are a student of let's say exam portal, and you have some coins, INSP coins, so you can we can adjust these coins. One coin is equal to 1 INR, and we can reduce the fees. For some students, those who had exactly this number of coins or more, we have completely given off for them. So you can just drop me a message on WhatsApp, and I will upgrade this course for you if you have the INSP coins. No need to pay fees in that case. All right, so this is it, and I'll be coming up with the information about chemistry champs as well. Okay, so that's it, and yeah, you can start exploring the INSP website, and I'm expecting you'll be bringing even a better result than last year. So all the very best, and see you soon in the classes. Thank you. Thanks for watching.